So now we need to explain what we just found here. And using our graph, we can see that this blue line here is below the purple line, all the way up to where they intersect about right here. So that means if the blue line is the cost for Landscapes Incorporated, that company costs less up to whatever this value is right here, that number of photos. Well, we need to figure that out. So in other words, we want to find the point of intersection, and we learned that to find that point, we could solve a system. So to solve the system, we need the equations that we wrote in part B. And we need to either use the substitution or the addition method. So I'm going to go ahead and use the substitution method. So I'm going to take this C, this equation right here, and I'm going to, instead of C here, since it's equal to this, I'm going to plug that in right there. So in other words, I'm going to have this. So I'm going to set them equal to each other. So I need to get the variable on one side and the constant on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and do this first. And then secondly, I'll subtract 35 from both sides. And then lastly, divide both sides by 0.02. And that would get us that the number of pictures is 750. So if we go back to our graph, we know that the number of photos right here is 750. So we would say that Landscape Incorporated costs less if you order less than 750 photos. Now, if you want to order exactly 750 photos, notice that this point is on both lines, so the cost is going to be the same. So if you order exactly 750 photos, both companies cost the same. Now, if you order more than 750 photos, notice now Landscape Incorporated is now on top, is above, so it's going to cost more. So if you want to order more than 750 photographs, now we should order from Photographs Unlimited.